today's video, we're going to talk about how you should choose between Webflow and WordPress. First, consider ease of use. Webflow is an all in one platform with hosting, CMS, and design tools built in. Its visual designer lets you create pixel perfect layouts without plugins. WordPress is extremely flexible but usually requires hosting, themes, and plugins, which can be more complex for beginners. Next is think about customization. Webflow gives precise control over design and interactions, which is great for custom layouts and animations. And WordPress, on the other hand, offers thousands of plugins and themes, making it better for content heavy sites or complex functionality like memberships or e commerce. Another factor is maintenance. Webflow handles hosting, updates, and security for you, and WordPress requires ongoing updates and plugin management to keep your site secure and fast. So the quick rule is choose Webflow if you want visual design control and a simpler all in one platform, and choose WordPress if you need flexibility, scalability, or rely on plugins for functionality. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!